Hello everyone and welcome back to another video in our Excel tutorial series. Today I'm going to be showing you another function yet again in Excel, and it's called average ifs. Now average ifs basically allows you to calculate the average of a range of cells that meet multiple criteria, right? It's a very useful tool, another useful tool apart from some ifs, for example, for analyzing data and extracting insights from your spreadsheets. Let's jump right into this. Now, again, as you can see, I've prepared my trusty sample data set with the table, which represents, again, employee data with columns for ID, name, department, and salary, right? We have 5 entries here. And now let's dive into the exercise. Now let's say, for example, right, we want to find the average salary of an employee in the marketing department, right? This is where you want to be using average ifs. Now let's let's go to the table and let's specify the cell where we want to do the results, or where we want to have the results shown. We're going to be choosing again E2, right? So we're going to use E2 for our formula, and then we're gonna start typing. So obviously first up, average, nope, I didn't want the caps, so average ifs, there it is. And then now we have the average range first up. Now we have to specify the range which we want to average, right? And what did we say? We want to average the range of salary. So we're going to be specifying D2 up until D6 because that's where all the salaries are shown. Next up, we have to specify the range where Excel will check for the department criteria, which is C2 up until C6 because that's where the departments are listed. Last but not least, we have to set an criteria. What did we say? We wanted to choose, or we wanted to find out the average salary of an employee in the marketing department, right? So our criteria in this case is going to be marketing. So as we put down marketing, that's our criteria. And when we now close the bracket and press enter, it will show us 50K because there is only one person in this table who has 50K salary and is from the marketing department. Now, if we wanted to say, for example, make this a bit more precise, we could actually add, I don't know, add a few more. Just put down test and then test 2 and then test 3. Wait, no, we wanted to get marketing, right? So we're going to choose all of these marketing. We're going to give him, he's earning 60K. So this one down here is earning 70K. And this one down here is earning, let's go 99999. Okay, right? This is their earnings. We're going to name him dude, name him or her, whatever, home, and here it's test. So these are the users. We're going to give them fictional IDs as well. Again, 106, 107, 108. Now, we have a few more in the marketing department now, so we have to change it, right? So the first one here isn't up until D6 anymore, it's up until D9. And here it isn't anymore up until C6, it's up until C9. And that's basically what we have. Now, if we do this, we get another average, which is 69,999 and 75. And that's basically how COUNTIFs work. Now we could also do something else. You could also add more criteria to refine your average. For example, let's say we want to find out the average salary of employees in the sales department who earn more than 55K, right? We could do something like this because we in this case we only have one. It should show us one. So if we go in the formula again, boom, and we specified already the ranges, right? D2 until D9, C2 until C9. Here we wanted to specify sales, right? So let's put down sales, and then we can add up next the range of where we're looking for, again, the criteria range 2 per se, which is again D2 up until D6, because this is where the criteria which we've set, which is sales, is going to be looking for, right? That's that. Then we have to specify another factor, which is we are looking for everything that's more than 55K, right? So then we have to again put down a greater sign in here and then 55K. That's basically our formula, our finished formula for this one. And if you press enter, it shows us one, which is the one person who earns 60K, basically more than 55K. And it is shown here, it's Emma ID 102. Now we could also change this around and leave it as marketing, because we have a few more marketing entries right there. So if we go with marketing, then it will show us the average of what the people are earning above 55K, right? So that's basically how average ifs work, and that's a wrap up for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. And if you have any more questions or suggestions for future videos or tutorials, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm always glad to hear your thoughts on these quick videos. My videos are aimed generally at beginners to intermediates to we will be implementing a few more expert videos as well, where we're going to be showing very detailed and very big database or data sets in Excel and how to use a specific formula for these. So bear with us with these videos. And yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.